can you really buy a computer for £69? Because allegedly, that's what I bought right here. I went on the internet and paid £69 and I haven't even opened this box yet, so I cannot wait to see what's in here. But allegedly, there's a computer, a 19-inch monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, and even a copy of Windows, and that included shipping. Shipping it here for £69. So in this video, we're gonna open up this box, see what I actually bought, and then see if it's a computer. Hopefully it's not just some bricks. Does it actually work? Can we do like common things like get on YouTube, do some Office, word processing, that kind of stuff? Let's have a look. So today we're going to be pretty unscripted because I have no idea what's in this box. Well, there's definitely a monitor. It's a Samsung ThinkMaster. That's all right. Is that 19 inches? Looks like 19 inches. Monitor stand. Oh, a SCO King keyboard. Power cables, VGA cable. Here it comes. Oh, it is a Dell Optiplex 3010. Now this bad said it originally had Windows 7 on here. So let's find out. Let's see what it's running. This monitor used to live at Codemasters. Codemasters made some of my favorite Spectrum games, like Dizzy, all those kind of stuff. Codemasters. That's where this came from. So this is cool. It looks like what we've got here is a Dell Optiplex 3010. This is about 9 years old, just from quick Googling. It should be a Core i3, 4 gig of RAM with a 1 terabyte hard drive. I mean, it looks in great shape. There's definitely some little marks of wear and tear on the screen here and on the case, but otherwise, this thing looks like it's in good shape. You can see it used to have Windows 7. There's a little Windows 7 sticker. Remember the days? Let's get it powered on and see if it works.
12 seconds later. A few moments later.
It is a bit slow, but this is what we expect out of a traditional hard drive, I suppose. One of the great things that we could look at maybe with this guy is putting in an SSD, which would make things a lot better. But let's not forget, this is a £69 computer, including shipping, and a monitor, and a keyboard, and a mouse. I'm kind of impressed so far, so let's get connected to the internet. Oh, that keyboard's, that's quite nice actually. It's very spongy. You can really feel a delay in everything that you're doing. We're so used to using things on SSDs now that it just kind of snaps into action. Cool, where are we gonna go first? YouTube. It's got speakers. It's got speakers. I was not expecting that. I was just expecting a completely muted experience. It has speakers in it. No way. Cool, so what have we got? I've got Dell Optiplex. It's a 64-bit processor. It's a Core i3, 3 gigahertz. All right, pretty nice, 4 processors. What have we got? 4 gig of RAM. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. This is great. For £69. It's got a terabyte of storage. Now again, we've talked about this. It's a terabyte of hard disk drive, so it's not the fastest thing on earth, but you can't complain at this. Like if you're looking at this as a starter computer, maybe, I don't know, your first computer or for just like general knowledge worker stuff, this could be perfect. You know, instead of spending like £500, £600 on a brand new computer that you just need to do basic things on, this could be great.
One eternity later.
So we have had some problems getting this machine to be quick, and that is mostly down to the fact that it's got a traditional hard drive in there. Now that that's all tidied up, we've gone ahead and installed Office 365, and this is great. Look, if I click into an email, I get the preview pops up straight away. I can reply to things and it pops up. This is really lively. And again, I've got Office running here with Outlook. I've got a Word document open that I can jump into and scroll around. I can make changes to any of these things. This is cool. And at the same time, I've also got a browser open with a couple of popular websites. Here on YouTube, having to browse around, playing some videos. Cool, this works. And LinkedIn, I spend my life on LinkedIn. But yeah, this is all great. You do occasionally notice a few slowdowns. Again, that's just down to like the lack of memory and the traditional hard drive in this, but genuinely, this is really usable. Look at this, it just scrolls away. It's perfectly fast. Now, I have spotted when the Windows Update kicks in or when Search Indexer kicks in, yeah, again, smashing that traditional hard drive slows this machine down. But when those processes are finished, it's back to just being a really nice, quick machine. Let's have a look next at what's going on the inside and what we could do to improve and get rid of those last few niggles and have this being a really tip-top machine. Did I just say tip-top machine? Oof. Cool, and if we have a look at the inside, I mean, these Dells are absolutely lovely for servicing. I mean, look at that, straight in. The hard drive, 1 terabyte hard drive in this unit, is just here. So you can just pop this section out first, and then this entire chassis comes out, and there it is. There's the 1 terabyte traditional hard disk drive. Really easy for us to swap out if we want to later. Here we've got 4 gig of RAM. We've got space for another module. So again, it'd be really easy for us to pop in another 4 gig of RAM and take this to 8 gig. And then underneath here, I am not going to pop this off because this is the cooler for the CPU, but in here is a 4-core, 3 gigahertz Intel i3 processor. Absolutely fantastic. Again, don't need to upgrade that. If I was going to upgrade anything on this machine, it would definitely be the hard drive. I'm going to get rid of this traditional hard drive, and I'm going to swap it out for an SSD. That would be my plan, and then I would double up on the memory in here. But you can see how easy it's going to be for us to do these upgrades. Once that new drive's in, this is just going to pop back into place like this. Put the little holder back in place here, and just flip the little locking tab. Done. Top of this, back on. Easy. So these Dell Optiplex 3010s have got great connectivity options on them already. So we've got HDMI port or a VGA to connect out to an external monitor, nice and easy. There are 6 USB 2 ports, and the guys who've done the refurb have also provided a wireless USB dongle, so that's cool. There is onboard Ethernet, and then we've got audio in and audio out. So if you want to connect a headset for Teams calls, or if you want to connect some speakers, that's all cool. It does have a built-in speaker as well, which we discovered, so that's cool. I'm absolutely blown away. I can't believe that for £69, we got a computer that you can do your work on. I've been working today in Outlook and Word and Excel. I've been using LinkedIn and PowerPoint stuff. Everything that I would normally do in my day-to-day work, I've been able to do on this machine today. Now, yes, some things are a little bit slower because it's got a traditional hard drive in there, but genuinely, I've been able to work away and get all my usual stuff done on a computer that costs £69. I'm genuinely blown away by this. My eyes have been opened to the possibility that actually refurb machines are a really good option. Whenever businesses look to put new machines out, or even when you're doing this at home, you're always looking at the new stuff, the 500, 600, £1,000 machines. Here's a machine for £69 you can actually work on. I don't believe it. Now, there are definitely a few things that I would change about my experience. I don't want this traditional 4x3 type monitor. That is a bit too old school. I could run 2 monitors if I want to, or I could just go, hey, do you know what? I'm going to have one nice widescreen monitor on HDMI and connect that. It will work absolutely fine. I'll definitely swap out this keyboard. I think it's just a bit too spongy and it doesn't have the UK layout, so that would go. Nothing wrong with the mouse. That's cool. The other big thing that I would do is get some performance boosts in here. Now, we're not talking about a lot of money now, but I would definitely swap out that traditional hard drive for an SSD, and I would take that 4 gig of RAM and move it up to 8 gig of RAM. That's it for today. If you're considering getting a new device for home or even for work, then I would definitely be considering a refurbished device. This thing here we got for £69, and it's been absolutely incredible that we can generally get work done on it. I mean, you know, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, the whole thing just works, and it isn't too slow. Keep an eye out on the channel for the next video where we're going to be spending another £60 to upgrade this and see how much better we can make it for day-to-day use. See you next time.